The franchisee makeup has changed substantially in recent years as consolidation is occurring at an increasingly rapid pace. Many operators no longer recognize many of their fellow franchisees. Most of this reduction in franchisee count has come through recent and accelerating M&A activity. And the M&A activity has intensified for several reasons. Number one, historically high valuations for business assets and real estate. Number two, a massive increase in family office-backed operators and consolidators. Number three, sales and traffic fluctuations across brands. Some are up and some are down. Number four, easy and prolonged access to debt financing. Number five, increased capital needs to support remodeling and development. Number six, pressure on profits due to wage concerns and food inflation. And number seven, aging of the franchise base. Over the past few years, Unbridled has had the honor and privilege to represent almost 100 franchisees in the sale, acquisition, or financing of their businesses, with a total unit count approaching 1,000 restaurants. During this time, Unbridled has been on the forefront of achieving increased valuations within many franchise systems. In many instances, we have done this through the introduction of new buyers and family offices into a brand, while in others we have helped sellers get the highest prices and best terms among the existing franchise base. I'm proud to say that Unbridled has helped franchisees realize millions of extra dollars in the sale of their businesses. Now, we expect valuations to remain at historically high levels for the next 12 to 18 months for the following reasons. Number one, buyers for restaurant businesses are everywhere and demand is outstripping supply. Number two, family office and private equity buyers continue to show a robust appetite for mid-size and larger franchise acquisitions. Number three, large franchisees are diversifying into secondary and tertiary brands at an increasing pace. Number four, new franchisees consolidating fragmented brands are buying out smaller operators. And number five, interest rates have taken a favorable and unexpected turn in the past few months. Number six, consumer confidence and spending remains strong. And number seven, overall restaurant sales have been positive for 4 quarters, the first time since 2015. However, traffic counts continue to decline. But along the way, these transactions have become much more difficult to complete for the following reasons. Number one, extensive asset purchase agreement negotiations. Number two, heavy indemnification provisions and escrow agreements. Number three, financing due diligence and quality of earnings studies. Number four, store level inspections and price reductions for deferred maintenance. Number five, franchisor approval and development requirements. Number six, lease assignment difficulties and environmental concerns. And number seven, fluctuations in business and real estate financing. In the recent past, most franchisees would consider an advisor only because they wanted to get the highest price. And at the same time, most advisors didn't have the financial, legal, and tax experience to actually solve problems and offer help throughout the various phases of an M&A transaction. However, as the complexity of selling a franchise business has more than tripled in the past few years, the need for a world-class advisor is much greater than it has ever been, and trustworthy options remain limited. Unbridled is very thankful to be best in class in providing Wall Street level investment banking expertise to the franchise industry in a way that was previously unavailable to most franchisees. We are passionate about our clients' outcome. We are comprehensive in our knowledge of their businesses, innovative in finding solutions to reduce deal risk, and relatable in walking side by side with clients as they make one of the most important decisions in their lives. We care deeply about franchisees, their legacies, and the brands they support. I invite you to reach out to us anytime if you want the best expertise, the strongest prices, and the least risk when considering the sale or financing of your franchise business.